everyone, welcome to the desk tour of my Boy's Tech room. It's gonna be a little desk setup room video for you here. Hope you like this new background. I am recording the intro after the outro, so you probably gonna be like, oh, why did he say this is a new place when he already recorded it here? I don't know why, but yeah, I'm doing that. So we're gonna do a little desk tour for you. I'm gonna show how my desk is currently set up. Please ignore any wire management that you might see, because there is none. Really isn't none. But thank you for tuning in, and it's gonna be a pretty fun video. So take a look at this beautiful desk room that I have here, and I think you're gonna like the stuff in it. So let's roll the clip. Let's start it. All right, y'all. So we're gonna start off with this side of the desk. So let me just back up a little tiny bit. So yeah, over here is my gaming PC area. So this is where all gaming needs take place in this section of the desk setup area, my work area. So what we got here is, so up here is a 4K BenQ monitor. I forgot the exact name of it, but I put it down in the description below. Had this monitor for about 3 years now. It's pretty old. I started old, and you know, it does me good. I wasn't originally gonna plan to mount it on top here, but I had the extra monitor and it said, let's put this to some use, so I put it up there. But this mounted down here is a 1080p Lenovo. It's a Lenovo monitor. 1080p, 145. Is that a 144 hertz or 165 hertz? I'm not sure. I think it's 144. This is my main monitor that I play games on. I think it works perfectly great for the graphics card that I have, because I have a what graphics card do I have? I have a, I'll get to that when I get there. And this is my other monitor. It's an LG Ultra Wide long boy. Got this one for Christmas, I think last year. Love this monitor a lot. I use it for vertical stuff, so I put like Discord on there. If I'm watching stocks, I'm gonna put stocks on there. I don't watch stocks, but whatever chat-based length stuff, Spotify things, I throw on there. I just got this webcam, like literally like a little dusty, a little bit this past weekend. At the time of recording this, it is the Logitech C922. So the 922 has 60 frames per second on 720p, not 1080p, but I do use 1080p at 30 frames, because when you're streaming, it doesn't really matter. This is a really great webcam. I had a different webcam before. I had some cheap whack webcam, quite honestly, and this is way better. All right, so we're getting down here. This is my keyboard. This is the Redragon. I unboxed this before. You saw it before. Still going good, still going strong. I love this thing. It sounds really great to me, you know. This is the mouse that also. So this mouse, I made a mistake, rookie mistake, right? I cleaned this thing with alcohol wipes. Not alcohol wipes. What do you call those things? Clorox wipes. And as you can see, it's chewing away at the mouse itself. So it still works fine, but you know, that's kind of annoying. It is what it is. Over here, let me bring this over here, over this messy. This is my new mic that I got. This is the Elgato Wavelink Wave 3, whatever you call it. Wavelink is a software, I think, but this mic is amazing. I love this thing so much. I use it for streaming now, record my podcast with my friend. It's better. I personally think it's better than the Samsung Go Track Pro 3. That thing is just huge, and it's not easy to move around my desk setup, and it was annoying to use, and it's hard to mount. So I got this instead. Easy to mount on here. I'm gonna get me a shock mount and a pop filter soon. That's fun though. And this mic, between buying this mic, the webcam, and we're gonna see over here, it cost me a lot of money. Which is this right here, the Elgato Steam Deck. So I decked my room out with some Elgato. This thing, this bad boy, right? I didn't think I need this thing. Like, I'm not a big time streamer or anything like that, but yo, when I tell you this thing comes in handy, it really comes in handy, and it's definitely worth the money to get one of these Steam Decks. It's just simple things like when you want to record, when you want to stream, when you want to open a certain game, switch scenes. Instead of having to go on your computer, tab all to get out the game and all that, it's just this, and it works perfectly fine. My main controller that I game on my PC is an Xbox 360. No, Xbox One Series X controller. Plug it in because the Bluetooth is kind of funky for some reason on my computer. Don't know why, but it is. No, this is what it is. Back here, I guess I can show you over here. We have these speakers. This is, I think I showed these before, my Bose speakers. They work pretty good for this setup. And over here, we have a few more things. In the back, we have, oops, okay, in the back we have this Easy Store what is it, Western Drive hard drive. I just use the store like any. It's 5 TB, so whenever I got like mad stuff to throw on there, I put videos in there and everything. Over here, sorry for the light, we have the Xbox wireless headset that I use for my computer and when I play my Xbox too. So it really comes in handy. Sometimes I put it up here for safekeeping. And you know, I talk about these bad boys all the time. XM4s. I throw these on. I use these for like. I don't use these too often, to be honest. I use these mostly with my Oculus. So yeah, let me just move this real quick. That light's mad bright. This bad boy right here is my gaming setup right here. Gaming rig. Can't see too much inside of it. But this bad boy came with it's a pre-built. It's a CyberPower pre-built. It came with a Radeon 580, I think, something like that. It's like a really old graphics card. I switched it out to a 1660 Super that I got from Best Buy for too much. I paid for that for a 16 Super. Sold the 16 Super and got myself a 3060. So I think I'm winning. So I got me a 3060, this bad boy, brand new 3060 that I scored off Best Buy. I would like to get a 3070 at some point, or 3060 Ti, but you know, it's not a big necessity. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. It's not really that big of a deal. But I love this thing. It plays my video games that I want to play extremely well. And yeah, so this is, don't look at the cable management down there. It's pretty bad, but this is my gaming setup. Sometimes I figure it's too much monitors, and I think if I had to get rid of one, it's gonna be this 4K. I don't play game on 4K anyway. If I do, I use that. So yes, I think I might get rid of this and then maybe mount that up there. We'll see. I do kind of like the third monitor here too, but it also looks cluttered. I knew that, so it's what it is. So over here is my Mac setup. So over here we got the Mac setup. This is just a random stand that I use for like my phone or my iPad sometimes when I want to use a sidecar. This is, I talked about this before. I have a review that's supposed to come out for this thing at some point, but you know, I've been extremely lazy in terms of recording the review for this. This is the iMac 24-inch, right? The new 4.5K M1 chip iMac. We've seen this before. This is the keyboard, the trackpad that comes with it, the Magic Mouse, and this is a OWC Thunderbolt port, Thunderbolt hub, so it plugs into the computer, doesn't charge it, so don't worry about that. And it has like 3 more ports of Thunderbolt back there, since I did got the base model of this iMac, and I needed more ports, so it's coming handy. So pretty much I like working here when I do work here, like legit work, like my job work, and then once I'm done with work, I move over here to do some gaming. So yeah, it's a tight space, but we make it work. And over here, you know, you've seen this part before. I used to have my iMac over here, but I decided to move the iMac. This is my chair, my gaming chair from Lucky Race, G-Track, whatever you call it, people. GT Racing. It's comfortable. It gets the job done. Over here, just a plain desktop. So the reason why I moved the iMac from over here is because I'm actually going to start recording videos here. So this is a standing desk. It motorizes. It goes up. Let me demonstrate for you right now. See, bad boy moving up. I'll put it back down because I don't want it up there. So yeah, I'm gonna use that thing for like videos and record and stand in front of the table. Have a nice background with my pads thingies. So over here we just have we have the HomePod that's not plugged in because yeah. Then we have our, of course, our iPad. We have our M1 MacBook Air. So we have, and then we have our Galaxy. What's this phone called again? Galaxy S10, 21, whatever you want to call it. I use it to record videos sometimes, but you know, now I use my iPhone, so wasting money. This is just a water bottle. This is just a cute dog. This is a coaster. You know me, I got my favorite headphones over here. I also have the Beats, the new Beats Studio Buds I like to use every now and then. You know, you've seen it before. My favorite headphones in the world. They're expensive, but treat yourself. Buy you a pair. They are 100% worth the purchase. I just have like a board that I was planning to like print stuff and put up here. I want a printer, but there's no space in for a printer, so it's alright. I have a board that I need to clean off. And then I have this light I'm still using for YouTube videos for when I record. I just need to see if I can hook this up. It doesn't get too tall, so let me see if I can hook it up to my tripod over there. That thing is weak though, so it might topple this over. So we'll see about that. This is just a random kind of cart thing. I have my glasses here, some remote, some other stuff on there, nothing markers. I just threw the light on there, and then there's just an ottoman to put my feet on. Honestly. Yeah, this is the setup. This is my room setup. So now they've seen everything. Rate it. It's probably not that great. The stuff in here is great, but the setup itself, I feel like could definitely use some work. I think I just need to organize a little bit better. But for now, it gets the job done, and this is what we're going to be working with. Super happy to have a spot I can stand up in the videos in now, so that's going to be dope. And actually, we should test that right now, right? Take 3. Alright, thank you for watching the video. This is definitely the third time I did this. First time, I'm the first time it didn't record because this stupid little thing doesn't want to, for some reason when I click the button, it put the volume up instead of recording, which is weird. The second time, my hair was cut off and my gut was loose. My gut was short, so I was like, no way. But thank you for watching the video. This is my desk setup. This is going to be the new way we record videos from now on. This is why I wanted this desk empty, so that I could stand behind here, record behind the table, so that when I'm like unboxing something or showing the product, it's just a little bit easier. I think it just feels a little bit more natural for me. I'm a talker with my hands too, so this helps me out, and I love having something to, it's not good to have something to lean on, but it just makes me feel a little bit more comfortable. So, you know, it is what it is, right? Thanks for watching. This has been a pleasure to record this video for you. Hope you like my desk setup. I love the things in it, like I said before, but it is a little bit cluttered, and I do know that. So I'm gonna, there's not much I can do about this point besides, you know, move out and get a bigger place, but, you know, funds, right? So that's not gonna happen at the moment, but yeah. And then over here I just have my gaming setup, which is not great to show because it is messy right now. I'm just looking at it like in disgust. But you know, it is what it is. It plays video games. But yeah, that's it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. I know I enjoyed making it, and I'm gonna have the iMac review coming for you soon. I'm looking at it right now because I'm like, yo, I gotta throw the video out. The video's already recorded. I just gotta edit together and put on the channel. I just been going back to, I went back to school. Work is crazy right now, so it's like I'm just seeing how can we do this, but we're gonna do it at some point. I'm gonna have for you, and then this video is also gonna go up too. So content. Thanks for watching. It's been a month break, but we are back here, maybe even longer than a month, but we were back here with a real video, not as short. Thanks for watching. I said it like 10 times now, but I really do appreciate it. So I'll see you on the flip side. Look out for these new videos, and we are back. Peace out.